Do you ever wake up already feeling exhausted? Like you barely slept or your energy just never really comes in the morning? This gentle breath ritual is designed to support chronic fatigue, burnout, and poor sleep. It slowly and gently builds up energy without pushing your nervous system into overdrive or releasing stress hormones. So, we'll do this by focusing on adrenal-safe breath work to stimulate your circulation, to oxygenate your system, and to help you feel more alive without relying on caffeine or willpower. If you're dealing with long-term fatigue, I have a playlist of yoga and nervous system practices. I'll link that in the description for you. Feel free to use any of them to support you because there is a way out of fatigue. And I speak from personal experience. And the way through fatigue is being gentle with yourself through consistent action. It can take some time because the fatigue took a long time to build up too. The main thing is meeting yourself where you're at. And that can be very difficult because we want to push through, especially because other people tell us that that's what we're supposed to do. But I'm here to tell you it's okay to meet yourself where you're at and to enjoy gentle, consistent practice. All right, let's get started with the breathing. First, just take a moment to make sure that you're comfortable, whether you're seated or lying down if you prefer. And gently bring one hand to your belly and the other hand to your heart. Feel your body supported by the earth beneath you. And let your breath begin to soften as you arrive here. Just knowing that there's nothing to force, you're just noticing. Let's begin by simply being, by feeling into your center, into your breath, and into your body. Now, keeping one hand on your belly, begin to gently breathe through your nose on a count of 4. And slowly exhale through your nose for a count of 6. So inhaling, 2, 3, 4, and exhaling, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And as you breathe in this pattern, let your belly expand into your hand with each inhale. And let your exhale feel long, smooth, and soft. This longer exhale tells your body you're safe, you're grounded. So just stay with this rhythm, inhaling for 4 and exhaling for 6. Just a few more rounds in your own time. And as you're ready, you can let your hand rest down and continue moving your inhales into your belly throughout the rest of this practice. Now let's gently shift into a breath that deeply calms the nervous system by taking a double inhale through the nose. So a medium inhale and then a top up, and exhaling fully through the mouth. Inhaling halfway, inhaling fully, exhaling slowly out through the mouth. And on every third breath, let your exhale lengthen even a little more, maybe to 8 or 10 seconds, without any stress or strain. And allow that longer exhale to release any tension from your face, your jaw, your shoulders. Two more rounds here. Letting your breath do the work. Now let's begin to balance and gently energize with a coherent breath. We'll be inhaling for 4 and exhaling for 4. Inhaling 2, 3, 4, and exhaling 2, 3, 4. Continuing with this in your own time. Letting your breath be smooth and even. Inhaling and exhaling. Now, after each exhale, pause just for a moment, maybe 1 to 2 seconds, without any strain. Inhaling and exhaling. Pausing before inhaling again. This slight breath retention gives your system just enough alertness without triggering stress. Keep this steady rhythm of inhaling for 4, exhaling for 4, pausing before inhaling for 4 again. Let your breath build clarity and a quiet wakefulness. And as you're ready, begin to return to inhaling for 4 and exhaling for 6. Inhaling 2, 3, 4, exhaling 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let this breath feel familiar now, feeling grounding, nourishing, and steady. Now, toward the end, you can allow your body to sigh, taking a full, deep inhale through your nose and sighing it out through the mouth. Once more, inhaling through the nose and sighing it out through the mouth. Now let your breath return to its natural rhythm. And rest for a moment in stillness, letting your body integrate the shift. You've just given yourself 10 minutes of nervous system care. And you can know that you don't have to fight fatigue. Sometimes it just needs a gentle nudge, one breath, one signal at a time. Feel free to repeat this practice throughout your week or pair it with one of the grounding yoga practices in my fatigue recovery playlist that I have linked in the description. Thanks for starting your day with this practice. I'll see you in the next one.